So hello everyone, welcome back to another series. So in this video today I'll be covering the computer portion. So we'll be covering some 1-2 lessons on computer. So this is the first lesson on computer for your NSSB preparation, and this question has been taken up from various exams, and it is a mixture of all chapters for your NSSB. So let us start the MCQ. And first question is, the earliest calculating device are के first calculating device means पहिला time love the idu calculating device to chola the के so the answer is abacus. Next question, what function key is used to enter and exit full screen mode in modern computer browsers? So for example, web browser you are using Microsoft Internet Explorer or Google Chrome, so idu full mode enter exit kurle ki ase tela shortcut key do it is F11. Next question, integrated circuits are related to which generation of computer? So integrated circuit to key generation ase, integrated circuit to third generation ase. First generation gule to vacuum tubes, second generation gule transistors, third generation gule IC, fourth generation gule to microprocessors, or fifth generation gule to artificial intelligence. Next question, taskbar can be placed at taskbar do menu kana niche de rakado kude rakhibo pare, means niche de do start aro idu all programs idu sab to kude rakhibo pare, bottom, right, any screen, top, bottom or top screen, or none of this. So settings pa any side of the screen rakhibo pare, that is top hole bottom hole settings pa. Vacuum tubes are replaced by key. So we know that vacuum tubes are first generation computers. The second generation computer to is transistors. Transistors can replace kona ki as IC engine. IC circuits, integrated circuits. It is integrated circuits be there next to ki is microprocessors. So the answer is transistors. Next question, what does HTML stands for? HTML to ki is it is a hypertext markup language. Next question, which part of the computer is used for calculation and comparison? Calculation, plus minus into divide concept to ki bakre? Is it A, control unit, cache, register, bus, or ALU? So it is what? ALU. ALU to tai arithmetic and logical unit ko idu tai plus minus into concept to idu bakre. Next question, which of the following are modifier keys? Modifier keys to ki asukle to means idu cholai na ki modify kuru pare. That means idu cholai na alag key lo de combine kora idu operations to kuru pare. So control, alt, escape, both 1 and 2, or none of this. So we use what? Control bi cholai, because control A, control C kushkile to copy ase, control X kule to cut ase inga, or control V kushkile to paste inga. So or alt p ase, so escape to mone cholai, so 1 and 2, so it is 1 and 2. Next question, connecting or link to other documents or web pages are contained related information is called ki ase. So web pages to connect korde diki idu ki koi idu ki wa connect kore, it is hyperlink. Next question, the communication key between the CPU, memory, and the peripherals is called ki ase. Means central processing unit tila brain of the computer, tila memory to tila idu RAM, random access memory, read only memory, or peripherals means ki idu keyboard, mouse, idu sab ke ki ba connect kore, it is called bus. Bus to USB mate or expansion bus. Next, IP5, that is Internet Protocol version 6, is the advanced version of Internet Protocol version 4 address. What is the size of Internet Protocol v6? So version 6 la taila size to keman aji koi. So it is 128 bit aja. Got it? Next. A byte can be represented in the range of 0 to k. So byte to 0 to kiman takaze range tala. Byte is 255 aja tala range to. Next. Which of the following is not an operating system? Operating system means mon utu computer ke computer screen khola dante mon itu operate karo ge operating system koi. Desktop operating system DOS pe ase ekta je. Linux, Unix concept to operating system ase. Windows pe ekta operating system ase. Android pe ekta operating system ase. So Oracle. So Oracle is the odd one. It is a multi-modal database management system like Excel conditioner. Next, computers use the touch number system to store data and perform calculation. So computer ki chole takan binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal ki ase. It is binary. Binary to 0 and 1 ase. Next question, a compiler means ki ase? Compiler word pabi jani jago that it a program that translates a source program into a object program. So compiler to high level language ba low level language tak change koro pare. That is first the source code abo, it is a compiler. Machine code, it is the output. So compiler to kise, it is a code, it is a program that translates source program into object program. Next, in which of the following is not a type of read-only memory? Read-only memory to type to key PROM to programmable read-only memory. So EEPROM, RROM, or EPROM. So the answer is what? It is RROM. Next question. Windows logo plus touch will lock the screen. So Windows idu triangle square nishna ekta tako with small square, small four square. So key combine korle idu dabai na ki hoile to screen to lock ho jay. So answer is L. L jolai shikle to you'll get the lock screen. Next, what is EEPROM? So EEPROM do actually tell a full from the case to electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Idu ekta type of ROM ase that can be erased and reprogrammed through application of higher normal electrical voltage. Means usually the electrically erasable program grow bare do ROM do. So idu ki ase, idu read and erase and reprogram ase. Next question. And touch is a touch system is a small wireless handheld computer that scans an item back and puts in the current. So idu ki koi idu mon vishal kan de jadam de if you buy something then they scan the barcode. So idu ki ko ige PSSP made, that is personal shopping system made. PSP do idu PlayStation portable ase aro point of sale to alak ase to. Next, touch devices are internal and external devices that connect directly to the computer but do not contribute to the computer's primary function. So internal and external device ase idu computer te connect kore, that is takan but do not contribute to the computer's primary function. So idu on do ki koi deke peripherals koi. Peripherals to for example mouse, scanner, aro keyboard, etc. It on the sub to they are called peripherals. Next question. Touch is not an input device. Input device ti ke jogle mon computer de data to input kore. Means mon suppose keyboard te a da bashile do screen de a digai. So idu input ase. So first scanner be input kori because mon suppose kiba ekta scan korje document ekta to ido computer de document reflect hoje keyboard be enter hoje suppose the keyboard te a dabaje so it will come in the screen. Mouse to the suppose the left click dabaje to refresh la button ho right click hole to select karo to so the only auth is printer is a output device. Next question. The elemental program language of computers comprising of long sequence of binary zeros and ones is called keze. Long sequence of binary zeros means 0 1 1 1 1 1 inga so it is machine language koi because machine ba ki understand kore to abcd it does not recognize anything, it only recognize 0 and 1. 0 means off aje or 1 means on aje. Next question. The term Pentium is related to key Pentium i3 i5 i7 i9 ga idu sob ke ki koi it is called microprocessor is the fourth generation computer. Fourth generation computer. Next. 1024 kb or kilobyte equals to ki aje 1 megabyte aje. Remember this, 1 kilobyte to 1024 byte aje and 1 megabyte to 1024 kilobyte aje. So byte ho, kilobyte ho, megabyte ho, gigabyte ho, terabyte ho or petabyte. That is kb, mp, gb, tb and bb. This is parrot p and b for white b. Next. The advantage of flowchart to ki karne advantages effective communication, effective analysis, user group of or relationship or all of this. So it is flowchart to ki karne as it is all of this. Because of this it is very important. Which unit of computer is considered as a basic unit of computer? It is what? Basic unit to central processing unit or CPU. Next. Flash is a type of touch memory that has a fast access time and has higher resistance. So flash is a type of case read only memory, random access memory, RAM do idu do tai temporary to save no do it will off. Holy read only memory do permanent as but सबसे fast to से क्या EEPROM है, that is electrically erasable programmable read only memory. Next, which of the following is a point and draw device? Point, suppose moi ita cholai je do idu moi point kore je do aro moi suppose moi ekta paint lise so I can draw this. So this is a what? It is a mouse. Next question, how many bytes are there in a kilobyte? So I've told you 1024 kilobyte. Kilobyte as a byte as a bit byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte and terabyte. Next. ICs, integrated circuits, are used in which generation? First, second, third, fourth. Kya hai? Third generation. Because first generation do vacuum tubes, second generation do transistors, third generation do IC, fourth generation do it is this microprocessors. Next. In which generation transistors were used? So answer is what? Second generation. Next. That is a diagrammatic representation of a program logic. Program logic means ekta program logic to keep express kore. It is expressed by flowchart. Next, a DVD, digital versatile disk pimade DVD do. So it 1995 the develop and it is what? It is a optical disk. Solid state device to ki azule to solid state device to memory card kana je and output device to ido ondo dila screen kana je and hard disk to do HDD kana je but DVD to ke je optical disk kaza. Next, touch is a volatile memory. Volatile means safe no kore to hari jao. Actually RAM to ekta volatile memory je so SRAM. to static random memory ekta ase D for dynamic random access memory ase to static dynamic duita bi volatile ase volatile in the sense like to save nokuli to juldi idu hari means tai kai bojao horibi ROM read only memory to it is non volatile. Next question. Firewall is used in communication network system for protection from kise from unauthorized attack. Firewall mon Windows firewall de ki karne chole misha meji attack nokule, so it is unauthorized attack. So next question. Which of the following is not a system software? System software de ki ase kundun hoy operating system ekta ase compiler ba ekta system ase utility software ba ekta ase but word processor is not a system software, it is an application software. So word processor for example MS Word aru do notepad idondo word processor kore, so the answer is word processor. Next question. The full form of GIS is GIS to Geographical Information System. Next. Which of the following language does a computer use to process data? To ki chole COBOL, BASIC, Windows idu sob to computer language ase hole process korle ki chole binary means 0 and 1 chole. Next. What is the full form of PNG in the computer image format? So mon JPEG, PNG idu sob to ki ase it stands for portable networks graphics, so it is what portable network graphics. Next, which of the following is the scientific computer language? Computer language to scientific to kese it is Fortran ase. Basic kuchigule to it is called beginner all purpose symbolic instruction code ase aru itu Thomas J Gemini and John G Gemini aru Thomas E Kurtz pa banaise to aru COBOL to kesile common CO business oriented language ase. Basic to beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code ase aru COBOL to common business oriented language ase. Fortran to IBM ba banaise, it is a scientific computer language because itu stimulation weather forecast financial trading or engineering stimulation de chole Fortran to, so the answer is Fortran. Next question. What does ASCII stands for? ASCII do ki ase gule to it is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Sorry this one in American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So itu ki ase gule to it is a standard data transmission code ase aru de kiman total kiman 7 characters 7-bit characters. Next. Dutch is a language for publishing hypermedia in the World Wide Web. So www de ki chole mon HTML chole. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Next. In Dutch, the type of email address you want to send a copy of in Dutch, the email address you want to send a copy of email. So to suppose to ekta mona ki email photo to aru te alag friend ki photo gule to it is what it is carbon copy box CC koi carbon copy aru blind carbon copy to the idu bi ekta ase forward kule but udade to manokung ki photo ase to nidiko but in carbon copy you see all the details. Next, traditional computer had CRT monitors. CRT to ki ase kule to cathode ray tube ase. Cathode ray tube. Next question. Touch comprises a set of several routines and startup instructions inside the ROM. So random access memory de instruction kumba ase idu ki koi basic input output system koi, that is BIOS. Next, what is a form of COBOL? COBOL to I've already explained it is common business oriented language. Although 1960 de develop hoise. Next, which of the following is a single user operating system? Single user means ekjone cholabo pare. Linux to multiple ase, Windows 7 bhi multiple ase, aru Windows NT bhi multiple ase, but Windows MS DOS to it is Microsoft desktop operating system. It is what? It is single user MS DOS. Next question. What is OCR? OCR is optical character recognition. It is an electronic or mechanical conversion of images or images of handwritten printed text. So it is optical character recognition, OCR. Next question. How many terabyte makes 1 petabyte? Same as that 1024 byte to 1024 byte to 1 kilobyte ko 1024 kilobyte to 1 megabyte ho, and 1024 megabyte to 1 gigabyte ho, GP 1024. So the magical number is 1024. And the last question for today is, which type of malware program? What type of malware is a program or piece of code that is loaded into a person's computer without his knowledge and runs against his wishes? So it is computer virus. So computer virus is the is something that dila bidode gosai dala. Next, Trojan horse it is also a backdoor entry into the computer for malicious intent. Aro virus it is a program written to enter your computer and damage your file. So with this, the first lesson on computer has been completed. I hope you all understood something. I'll be continuing this series until your NSSB exam. So thank you guys for watching and all the best for your exam. Thank you.